I'm going to take the first road on the right, and there's a box for us to wait in the middle. So on approach, mirror signal right. Make sure you're in second gear before you come into the box. Get the car as straight as you can, and then look ahead to see if it's safe for you to go. There's nothing coming. Stay. Once your mirror is lined up with the middle of the road you're turning into, straighten up, check your mirrors, and then move off. I'm going to take the second road on the right, so I'm not going to indicate until I pass the first one. There's no waiting box on this one, so I can't cross the line until I'm going to steer. So again, I'm slowing down. I've got some traffic coming ahead. I'm going to have to put it into first gear. I'm going to stop, mirror lined up with the middle of the road, get my bike, steering, straighten up, check all three mirrors, and then progress. Going to take the first road on the right. So I'm going to mirror signal, got a faded line in the middle near the tarmac line. I'm just going to slow down for this oncoming vehicle who's giving me way. I'm just going to steer in, straighten up, check my mirrors, and carry on. Another right turn here, so mirror signal, go forward, mirror lined up with the middle of the road, and then steer in. Straighten up. If an oncoming vehicle does give you way and it starts flashing at you, make sure they slow down before you go in front of them. They might be flashing somebody else, so don't risk it. I'm going to take the second road on the right. I'm going to make sure I don't indicate before the first one. That could fail your test. So I'm passing the first one. Mirror signal. Start coming into the middle box. It's oncoming traffic, so I'm going to stop. Mirror lined up with the middle of the road. I'm just going to wait for my safe gap. So I've got two cars coming towards me. I'm going to get my bike ready. I'm not going to move until this car completely passes me. And then steer in. Don't need to rush it. Straighten up, check my mirrors, and then make progress.